There are many topics in Forex. Many of us don't know everything. Take equity, for example. This topic is unknown to many, so today we will discuss this topic in detail and explain it in simple language so that anyone can understand what equity is after watching today's video. Our video will have only one main topic, and that is what is equity and how to understand it. So stay with us, I'm with you, and an official member of FOREX BD. So let's first discuss what is equity. In simple words, equity refers to the amount of value in your trading account. That is, it is the current value of your trading account. Simply put, equity is the amount that is the total amount of your trading balance and profit or loss. If you have an entry position, then the amount of equity will vary depending on it, which you can see on your trading terminal screen. It is actually the total balance of your trading account along with the amount of profit or loss if you have an entry position open. That is, if your current entry position is in profit, then it will add to the balance, then show in equity. Again, if there is a loss in the running trade, then it will be deducted from the balance and presented in equity. If there is no running trade, the equity and account balance will be the same. That is, suppose you deposit $1,000 in a trading account. Since you have not entered any trades so far, your trading balance and equity will remain the same. If your account currently has no running entries, then your account balance and equity are equal. Suppose your account balance is $1,000. If you now take an entry, and if it shows $2 of loss, then your equity will show $998, but the balance will remain $1,000. If you close that entry with $2 of loss, your balance will show $998, and the equity will show the same. That is, your running trades are not calculated in the case of balance, but your running entries are calculated in the case of equity. So after you take an entry, your equity will go down as the loss increases, and as the entry goes into profit, your equity will increase, but your balance will remain the same until you close the entry. Surely you have seen that if an entry is taken, if it comes in favor of $1, $2, or $3, it starts showing profit, and this dollar is shown in equity. Equity will increase as your profit in running entry increases, and equity will decrease as loss in running entry increases. But as long as your entry is running, the original balance will remain the same. If you close the entry with profit, then that profit will be added to your main account, and if you close with loss, then the loss amount will be subtracted from your main account after closing the entry. Account balance plus floating loss if the entry is in lose. Suppose you deposit $500 into a trading account and take a sell entry in a pair. All of a sudden, the price started going against you, and you lost about $20 on your trade. This is your floating loss, because it is still running. The calculation will be 500 minus 20 is equal to 480. Your trading equity is now $480. Again, if there is profit in trade, equity is calculated in reverse. If suddenly a running trade is in your profit, then that profit is added to the balance, which is called equity, and the running profit is called floating profit. Your trading equity will always fluctuate with the market price, but there must be open positions, that means existing entries. This is called floating account balance. This will be your real trading balance only when you close all entry positions. After closing all the entries, what remains is your balance, and equity is your real-time account balance. Let's give an example. If you have $1,000 balance and $800 floating loss, that means running loss, but still your account balance will show $1,000, so you can't know the real balance by looking at your account balance. But if you look at your equity at that moment, you can see it. Your equity is $200. That is the main difference. So I hope we have understood today. Before ending the video, I would like to request those who don't subscribe to our channel please subscribe and click the bell icon to never miss an update.
We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the FOREX BD link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread, so be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that FOREX BD can meet your needs all the time.